What's the meaning of cigarette paper? Cigarette paper. Cigarette paper.
Cigarette paper. Cigarette paper. Cigarette paper is a thin, lightweight paper specifically designed for making cigarettes. It is typically made from wood pulp or flax fibers and may be treated with chemicals to enhance its burning properties. The paper is cut into small squares and used to wrap tobacco before rolling it into a cigarette. Cigarette paper also plays an important role in regulating the burn rate of a cigarette, as well as determining its overall taste and aroma. It is an essential component of the cigarette-making process and has been widely used since the advent of commercial cigarette production.